Alright, you guys, this video is the September BoxyLuxe Boxycharm unboxing. This was the anticipated box that everybody's been waiting for. This was their first launch for the BoxyLuxe boxes. Unfortunately, I don't have a small box to compare it to, but this box is quite large. Look at my hand. It's quite large of a box. So with this box here, they do charge you the monthly fee of the original boxes, which are at $21 per month. These boxes do come out every, I believe, 3 to 4 months. So 4 times a year you will get this box if you're on the list for the BoxyLuxe. And they charge you, in addition to the $21 a month, an extra $28.99 for the BoxyLuxe. All right. So let's open this bad boy up. That's what we're all waiting for. It's my first time opening a box, so we're all finding out together what's in the box. Here you get the jumbo brochure that comes in it. It's very big compared to the original. And this month's theme is Wildflower, the BoxyLuxe version. This tells you everything that you have in a box here that you see, and it gives you a description of each one and also tells you the retail prices. So let's get to it, because that's what we came here for. All right, it's inside the box, not touched. There is things underneath, so let's get to it. What we have first thing in the box here is let's get close. You guys want to see it up close. This is this is the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Retail price is $35. Let's see inside. You get a nice mirror here. You gotta take the sticky off, excuse the light. And these are the beautiful colors. You got shimmery, you got some mattes. And like I said, this is a smoky eyeshadow palette, so you can do quite a bit of looks with this. Lots of smoky eye, and I really like that shimmer right there. That looks really pretty. Also with this kind of purpley. Let me try to swatch it and see what it's like. Oh, that's a nice color for what is it, shadow, and this shimmer. Let's get up close. See, nice and shimmery. It's beautiful. All right. Next item that's in the box, this one here is Grande Lips. As you can see, Grande Lips here. Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. And this is semi-matte. This color is in Rebel Raisin. I did see a few people videos with this, and with this color, it's quite dark from what I've seen, but it might just work. This is what it looks like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is the color. It shows you the color. Nice kind of metal outer layer. Let's see, you twist it open, and let's see what the color. You see, it's quite dark. Nice doe foot. Let's see the swatch. Ooh, as you can see, can you see that there? Nice sparkly, quite dark, and this is definitely for fall. So good. That's a good thing to get. And this here retail price goes for $25. Awesome. All right, next thing in the box here, we have a Luxie brush. Can you see? Let's get it out. Plastic wrapper. I'll keep it nice and pretty. And you can see here it comes with an indent where you can put your finger, so that's pretty cool. Nice, fluffy, and soft. Let's see, this is the Luxie brush. 732 airbrush foundation brush. So that's good to put on for foundation. That's one to give a try. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Next item we have here. These, I believe, I know a previous box we had these by this brand, Alamar Cosmetics. These are the Ojito brush set. Retail price is $18. It's a 3-piece set. Let's see. Let's open it up. What we got here? Fresh out the package. All right. All right. Looks like we have here nice blending brush, nice and soft. This here looks like a packing brush, as you can see. And this one here looks like you could probably use for concealer under the eyes, or cut crease, or maybe under the eye with eyeshadows. That's really cool. We got this in a box. All right. All right, let's see what's next in the box. Next thing that we have on top here, we have the R Plus Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. I know I got this in one of my previous boxes, actually another subscription box. And I'm not going to spray this, but I know it smells really good. And this here, let's see, retail value price is $17. Awesome. But this is some good stuff. It definitely smells good. So get your money's worth. All right, next thing we got in the box. See, we're lifting up and going next to the next layer. All right, what we have here? We have the Galactic. This is the Galactic Skin Glow Duo. Look how pretty the packaging is. Mirrory. Almost can see the background. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh. I know they sent everyone an email who got the BoxyLuxe of what you would get inside your box, and they did send me this, that I was going to get this, and it's actually true. So I did get what was said in the email. This is the mirror. I don't want to see my background. Nice size mirror, nice color, and this is in the color, I believe, Moonlight. And this retail value is for $26. Look at that shimmer. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to try to swatch it a little bit. See this? Oh, it's nice and creamy. That's definitely creamy, not powder. I was almost fooled and thought it was powder. Wow. Definitely melts when you put it on your skin. Let me try that again. Hold on. One is the champagne color, and one is more of like a pinky peachy kind of color. If you can see there, it's beautiful. So don't get fooled. This is definitely creamy. So don't try to go in too hard. It's very creamy and it melts with your skin. So when you put your finger on, as soon as I put my finger is melting in. So just to be aware. It's beautiful. All right. Let's see what's next up in the box. This here, I believe, is one of the free items they gave in the box for the BoxyLuxe. This here is, I can get it open. This is a tote bag. What does it say here? Tote, you see it? Tote's a charmer with the BoxyLuxe emblem at the bottom. That'll come in handy. Nice bag to put stuff, carry like your tablets and whatnots. Maybe some snacks if you're going to the movies, you know, sneak stuff in. I know I'm not the only one who does that, but this is the bag that comes in it. Pretty cool bag. All right, next thing that's in the box. Oh, I was definitely hoping I got this one, and I did. Yes, I'm so happy for this. This one here is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Retail value price $80. This here, $80. Wow. So happy I got this one because I have the moisturizer in this brand, and I use it daily, and it's really moisturizing for the skin. So I'm so happy I got the serum so I can give the serum a try. So you can see here, see, nice packaging, nice. Hear it, metallic-y. Got the little pump here, press pump, so that's really good. Awesome. It's good to get in a box. Excuse my nephew. That's him over there fussing. All right, next thing in the box we have here. This here is the Smashbox Limited Edition Photo Finish Primer Water. Retail value price is $32. And this is by the YouTube, by Nicole Concilio. They collabed with her. And see, what scent is this? The citrus. I believe it's a citrus one. I know some people got the coconut one, but this is the citrus. Centering Citrus Primer Water. And I believe some people use this as a primer. You can use this as the setting spray. And I know some people said the scent isn't too strong, so let me try to smell it. This is how I smell mine. Put it in a cap. Yeah, you definitely can't smell it too much. So I was kind of looking forward to the coconut, but this will work. Awesome. All right, next thing we have up in the box here is by Sol de Janeiro, Sol Janeiro, the Ipana Sunset Glow Oil. All right, and this here retail value price is for, one minute, $35. And I was looking forward to this one as well. I wonder if it smells like, I know in previous box we got the Bum Bum Cream. That smells so wonderful. Oh my god, I almost want to eat it up. But it's a nice size bottle. Cool top here. I wonder if it's this color or if it's just the packaging. Let's find out. It's twisted open, and it has a secure top to keep everything inside. That's awesome, because we don't want to spill it. Alright, let's open up this. Definitely has an open. 1 minute. Let me get it open. Oh. We're just going to do a little swatch here because I know a little goes a long way, that some people say. So let's try that right here. Oops, excuse me. Let me put that down. And let's just, oh my god, that's amazing. Look, it's nice and oil on the skin, so it definitely guys on the skin. Doesn't feel like it'll make you too greasy. But definitely adds a nice sheen to your skin. Definitely can use this under your foundation, on top of your skin. I don't know if you can see it right there. Definitely got the nice shimmer and glow. It's beautiful. I like it. And it has the smell. It definitely has the smell of the Bum Bum cream. So that is what I was looking for. So awesome. Ooh, gotta put the top on first. So like I was saying, this does smell like the Bum Bum cream, but it has a little extra something that's kind of throwing it off just a tad bit. So it's not as potent as the Bum Bum cream, but it does smell good and it's good stuff. So awesome. All right, next thing in the box we have here. My God, look how big this packaging. I didn't expect it to be this big. Look at my palm. It's oversized for my palm. All right, so what we have, this is the Tarte, where is it at? The Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Retail value price is $45. So beautiful and reflective. All right, I was not expecting this big of a size, but hey, I'm not complaining. Oh my God, even the packaging inside. This is kind of raised up. You can feel to the touch. Excuse my nephew, he's a little fussy. Got a big giant size reflective mirror. Excuse my mirror. And what we have here, we have the colors. I hope you guys can see the colors pretty good. Got a nice shimmer, nice yellow, banana-y color, and all different kinds of contour colors. We got shimmers, we got some mattes there. Beautiful. I won't swatch them because I'm not sure if I'm going to give this to someone or use it myself, but it's beautiful. I like it. Definitely that banana-y color because my skin tone is more, I use more banana instead of that peach next to it. So, awesome. This packaging is everything. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the back. Definitely like a mirror. You can use this as a mirror. So, awesome. All right. And last but not least, that's in the box. What we have here. Ain't this cute? Look how cute this is. But this is what you use on your head. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Beauty Dolly Bow Makeup Headband. And the retail value price is $4.99. This is so cute. You use this to hold your hair back when you're doing makeup. It's cute. Definitely will be using this. So yeah, this is everything that was in the box. Quite a lot of stuff here. So definitely happy to get all these things. And like I said, my apologies to the ones that did not get on the list. Hopefully you will be on the list come December. December is the next time for the next launch of the boxes. So that'll be great. I know in an email they did send some things that will be in the October's box, a preview. And I believe one was a mascara. And then there was another one of Pure Cosmetics for Pure Cosmetics showing, is there space here? Pure Cosmetics showing a palette, but they only showed 3 colors and the rest were blanked out. So I think that's more of like a tease they were showing. So, but yeah, this is everything that was in the box. Oh, can't forget that one. So, awesome launch. So this is the BoxyLuxe September new version. So hopefully each time they give these boxes, everybody will be lucky to get on it and get these boxes. All right, until next time, bye. And subscribe if you like the video. Comment any comments. I am new to this, so give me a break. But subscribe, like. Thank you. Till next time, bye-bye.